So how you can make your first $500 as a beginner with Clickbank affiliate marketing using YouTube ads. So in this video we're going to dive deep into YouTube ads and how you can use this basic traffic source to start having results. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right, I have an opened Clickbank page, which is basically a brand new prostate solution product, right? As you can see over here is a physical product in let's call it a health niche, right? It's a health space, so it's basically mostly for men only. So why I'm showing you this offer, this is the #1 top offer for this month in April. So it's working really well. It's proven track record, and this is #1 thing that you need to understand. If you're going to go seriously into affiliate marketing, you need to choose product that are really high quality for the consumer, which is really very important. Why? Because as you will see later on, those upsells, right, the offers that the same customer purchase over and over again adds up really quickly. And if you're a smart affiliate, you'll notice that naturally you're gonna make much more money on the back end just because you promoted offer that's proven to work, right? So you waste less time, less effort, and less money. Now let's go straight into it, how this all works and how you can start as a beginner from zero to start having $500 profit per day on Clickbank. So let's go straight into the slides. Over here I'm going to share with you what is possible if you take this very serious. So as you can see over here, those are the results that you can get. Now what I'm going to show is this is a 3-step method which you have heard before, I'm sure, right? 3-step plan, which is buyers clicks, which is basically having audiences of people who click on your ad, who go to the landing page or the blog and buy the product from Clickbank, right? So you're a affiliate link and then expecting sales. Now, what most gurus are not sharing with you, or they don't want you basically to know about, is this. You need to understand, once you have the offer, once you have the product, right? And once you have the traffic source, which in this case are YouTube ads, you have to understand who is your audience, what do they want, and how to position your offer correctly on your landing page. Now, what is the biggest mistake most affiliates make? They try to sell the product, in this case for the prostate gland, for guys, for men, right, on the sales page, or on the basically pre-sale page itself. And this is a big no-no. Why? Because if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you need to make sure that you pre-sell to your audience before they buy, right? You basically put them in the mindset, pre-frame mindset of a prospect and lead them to make a decision by themselves to buy the product. So your job is not to sell on the landing page, which is the biggest mistake most affiliates, especially newbies, make, right? So you have to pre-sell 5 points. I'm always telling people when they work with me one-on-one, what exactly you have to pre-sell on their landing page to start having real results, right? So let's go straight into the next phase. Now, how do you make this happen? So if you're watching this video, right, as you can see over here, we have achieved some really great results. I've been able to make it the #1 top 10 super affiliate leaders in different affiliate networks. Now, why and how this is possible, right? Let me show you over here. If you go over here out, I'm going to show you exactly how this is possible, right? So let me show you. Let's put a new slide and let's call it YouTube ads, right? We have YouTube ads. Now what is important with YouTube ads, right? We have in-stream ads, right? Different type of ads on YouTube where you can basically insert your pre-made video without showing your face, of course, right? Have your own basically mini VSL and show it to your audience. Now you have to understand, first of all, this, who is your audience, right? Let's say that they are in the weight loss space, right? So you know where they live, right? What kind of magazines they read, who are the influencers in the YouTube space, in the fitness or weight loss space, right? So you have to understand first of all this. Why? Because you can go and target exactly different channels. You can target audiences of people who are already pre-sold, right? Imagine this: if someone is watching YouTube videos on, let's say, Dr. Oz, on anyone else that is huge influencer in the weight loss space, diabetes, cancer, whatever, right? Of course, the trust level is going to be much more higher, right? So the intent is, or that person is, they are already consuming the content. Now, when they are presented with your YouTube ad, in this case, right, promoting Clickbank weight loss supplement or prostate supplement, right, for men, right, they're already in the right frame of mind. And now, if you did offer positioning correctly, right, before they click on the ad and after they watch your landing page and go through it, then of course you can expect up to 50 or 60% higher conversions. I mean, you can get much more sales, right? And would you agree with me, right, if you're watching this video right now, that the only way that you can make money online, basically, and if you're really smart, and I think you are because you're watching this video right now, is to have someone to guide you through step by step, hand holding you and show you the ropes, basically how this is done. Why? Because after, let's say, you pick up the offer on MaxWeb, or in this case Clickbank, right, on Clickbank, then as a beginner you need to have someone to guide you through. Why? Because you want to avoid all the speed bumps along the way, right? And most courses are not teaching this, right? They just give you simple stuff, watered down, generic bullshit that actually doesn't actually work, right? So you need to understand this. Okay, we have offer positioning, we have audience, right? We talk about audience. Who is our audience? Let's call it they are, let's say, in this case, males. They are usually above 35 years old to, let's say, 65 years old, right? So this is our audience. Now, if you're on YouTube, you have to make also sure that you exclude all the negative things, all the negative keywords, right? Same thing with Google ads, all the stuff that doesn't matter, right? You don't want your ads to show up to the wrong audiences of people, right? Because you don't want to waste your clicks, you don't want to waste your money. So again, if you want to know exactly how to do this properly and position your offer properly with landing page and be able to make money, make $500 or $1,000 per day or per week, whatever your goal is, right? With Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner, or maybe you are already further from the beginner, but you at some other time you struggled, you lost money, you got confused, right? But certainly right now, I'm sure you certainly need, right, certain system that is customizable to your needs, because every person is different. If you're watching this video, I'm sure maybe you have $50 to spend per day, maybe you have $300 per day, right? I don't know. That's what I'm saying to you, right? You need to have a customizable model where you can duplicate what has been done, right? But in your own pace, in your own manner, differently from other people, right? So that way you can succeed and slowly scale up your offers using YouTube ads with affiliate marketing, right? And I'm telling you, AI voices will not do the good job for you. You don't need expensive software that many courses are trying to sell you, right? Where they're making affiliate commissions off of you paying expensive top dollar for the average or below average softwares that actually you could find for free, right? So that's a very important thing, right? The most important thing is to invest in yourself, to get some skill sets, to get some support and help along the way so that you can move forward and start generating results with affiliate marketing. So now, if you're watching this video at the end, right, you have to understand this, right? We have product, we have audiences with pain and problems, but if we position everything correctly and we promote high quality offers, we can profit very, very well for long-term sustainable income online. Now, why to use this strategy is because of high quality of leads and sales. I call it free strategy. And why this? Because what I'm doing, that most people are not doing, is I'm collecting emails on the back end, right? So if a person doesn't buy today, they will definitely buy next week or next month or next year. But basically it comes down to collecting your own online assets, right? So once you have those assets, you can make lots of money on the back end. Now, if you're watching this video, if you want to get results, you can connect with me one-on-one. So you can subscribe to my channel right now, and then below this video are going to be in the description below links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally, and I will personally make sure that you can have your all questions that you might have about Clickbank or affiliate marketing and YouTube ads or Google ads answered, right? So if you're serious, if you want to have this kind of results, do let me know, right? Do let me know and subscribe to my channel so that I can help you move forward and start generating these results.